Here we are at Dakota Market Square. This has been an amazing project. This is a true rejuvenation project where we're able to take an existing building that was in disrepair. It was in the process of being emptied out and unoccupied. We started by remodeling the east half. We had 90,000 square feet that you're looking at now. We put brand new fronts on the entire building, and we've moved from east to west. Every suite on this east side of the building or west side of the building has been filled up. We've completed an entire parking lot remodel, and we've continued to move, and we're moving into the next phases. The project itself has been incredible. We've been able to take this amazing building. We've been able to do all the environmental remediation. It was a great building. It was built in an amazing fashion when it was originally constructed in the 60s. We're able to take that same frame that we have today and build on it. We're able to take and reuse all of these materials. Everything from the internal materials that we've been able to recycle and reuse, all the way to the parking lot. It's the same thing. We've ground everything up so that we can take this and reuse the old parking lot on other projects. We brought new landscaping features, brand new lights. We've retrofitted the entire parking lot with energy efficient systems. We've done dark sky lighting so that we're not light polluting like the original light fixtures had. All of the landscaping now is irrigated. We took all of the areas that were in disrepair, we've upgraded them and lifted them up to this brand new standard. And this entire area has started to take shape and change from this remodel. We're located on one of the busiest intersections in Rapid City. It's one of the most fastest growing intersections in Rapid City. As the traffic from Box Elder and our other neighborhoods continues to move into town and come off the interstate, east-north is becoming a more and more important corridor inside of Rapid City. We've got major shopping centers, major working centers, all located within just a stone's throw of this location. Our daily traffic is upwards of 50,000 cars a day that passes by in each direction. We're excited to see this thing continue to move forward, and by this time next year we expect to be fully built out of this entire thing.